Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to cook ogbolo soup. So I'm going to use palm oil, meat, chicken, fried chicken, leaf, spinach, ogbolo, dry fish, grounded dry fish, chili pepper, Maggi season, salt. So all those are the items. So I'm going to boil my meat stock. So I'm going to add my meat and mix. After mixing, I'm going to add my chili pepper, 1 spoon, or more if you like pepper. And I'm going to add my palm oil, a little bit, mix. And I'm going to cover for some minutes. I'm going to add my dry fish and mix. And add my chicken, fried chicken. So I've added my grounded ogbolo and I'm going to mix. And add a little bit of water. After some minutes of mixing, look at the consistency. So I'm going to add my grounded crayfish, 1 spoon of it. So after leaving it for some minutes, I'm going to add my leaf. And after that, I'm going to mix small. So this is my ogbolo. It's getting ready, but we still have to wait a little bit. And mix. See this soup.